Everybody, it's Queen Richard here, and here in Washington, we've had some snow, it would seem. And so this video is just kind of gonna be like a little vlog, you know, it kind of had a snow day today. I did try to go to work, but there was like no buses running and the streets were closed and stuff. So, yeah, so that was this morning. As you can see, it is still snowing. So I'm out here with Piper, and we're just gonna go walk around a little bit. Really cool, awesome. So this is the dumpster, and this is like how much snow we've gotten. It's still coming down. Still coming down. Piper, what do you think of the snow? What are your thoughts on the snow? You look cold. Let's get ready. Let's run through the snow. Woo! Come on. Let's go ready. Piper, let's go ready through the snow. Piper. Piper, come on. Piper, come on. Let's go. We're walking through the tundra. Piper! We're walking through the tundra. Come on, we have to go back to the tundra. Piper! Come walk with me. I know it's really cold. Come on. Come on. Come on.